Good morning, students. Today I am going to take the revision of lesson number 1 and 2. Okay. So look here. Answer in one word. A railway engine goes to and fro, and it is a living or non-living thing. What you have to say? Non-living. So you have to write N capital. Okay. Then wood come from the tree, which are living things. A chair is made from wood. Now is the chair living or non-living? Chair is non-living. Okay. Name the three birds you seen in your surrounding. In your surrounding, what do you see? Parrot, crow, sparrow. Okay. नेम द थ्री थिंग्स मेड फ्रॉम द स्टोन स्टोनपासून पण काय बनवतं आहे रोड हाऊस डॅम ओके नाव से ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स द सीड ऑफ सम प्लांट्स आर स्कॅटर बाय द विंड ट्रू प्लांट्स आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स फॉल्स स्पॅरो ग्रो बाय इटिंग इनसाइड्स अँड फूड ग्रेन्स ट्रू देन what is the solutions? There are a lot of unused pages in the last year's notebooks. They must not get wasted. They must not get wasted. Making practice of handwriting solves sums. Okay. Making practice of handwriting solves sums. Then it is given here, draw a picture. Draw pictures of a spider web. Find out why a spider weave a web along the picture to write the information you get. So you have to tell this way. The spider weaves a web to protect itself from its enemy. Okay. You have to draw the spider. You have to draw the spider. Look here. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. The places of the stone dash only if someone pick it up and move it. Changes. We weave dash from cotton, wool and silk. What we get? Cloth. Leaves dash trees and they too rot and get mixed with the soil. Fall off. Okay. Then many festivals are connected with the plants and animals. Find out are any such festivals celebrated where you live and how are they celebrated. Complete the flow chart given below. Things in our surrounding. Living, it will become here non-living things. Animals, plants. Okay. Then, what are the uses of cotton? What are the uses? Answer the following question in short. What are the uses of cotton? You have to answer. Cotton is used to weave cloth. Cotton is used to weave cloth and cotton is used to make cotton birds to clean ears. To clean ears. Okay. What are the chappal made of? What are the chappal made from? Chappals are made of leather, wood, wool and rubber. Leather, wool and rubber, etc. Okay. Now look here. If there is a loud noise nearby, what will be the sparrow do and what will a stone do? The sparrow will fly away and the stone will not move. The stone, it is stone. The stone will not move. What does the house lizard eat? The house lizard eat of insects. Eat insects. Make a list of the things in your house that are made up of wood. Means what we made: table, bed, chair, bench, door. Okay. Then name that animals that feed on mice. Snakes, okay, snakes, cats and eagles that feed on mice. Okay. Then what are the things that we get from our environment? We get food from our environment. We get cotton, wool, silk to weave our clothes. We build houses from clay, stone and wool. Materials to make We get these materials from the environment. Okay. What helps to the plants from the environment? What helps to the plants? The seed of the sun. What helps to the plants get from the environment? The seed of the plants are scattered by the wind. As a result, seedlings of those plants grow in new place. And does the plants too get help from the environment? Okay. What make the soil in the forest fertile? Remain of the dead animals decay, they mix with the soil. Leaves fall off from the trees and they too eat and get mixed in the soil, and this make the soil fertile. Okay, this make the soil fertile. Write a short note on the relationship between all things in the environment. So, water and air is a part of the environment. All living things need them. Living things also need food. They get their food from the environment. Bird build nest. They need cotton, twigs, and thread to build them. They get these things from the environment. Another, if you write this also answer, it is this here. All the things in the environment depends upon each other. Living things obtain air and water from the environment. All the needs of the human are fulfilled through the environments. Plants get their help from the environments. Human beings use many things from the environment. Okay. Now, so many kinds of animals. Look here. Name the following. Animals that fly in the sky. Animals that fly in the sky. Sparrow and crow. Animals that live in water. Fish. Animals that are black. Bear and crow. Animals that have many colors. Peacock. Very large animals. Elephants. Very tiny animals. Ant. Make a cobweb animals. Spider. Is a colorful animal. Kingfish. Then has a trunk. Elephant. Runs with a great speed. Horse and deer. Runs with a great speed. You have to write chitta. Okay. So why I am showing this? Look here, quiz. Where you will find us? What is this? Eagle in the sky. Fish live in the water. Cow on the land. Okay. What you have to write? Cow on the land. Now look here. Which of the following groups would you put the owl, the monitor, lizard, gorpert and the cat groups? Okay. Now look here. The cow, dog and goat. We suckle our young. The cat. The crow, sparrow, parrot and cock we fly. Owl. Chameleon, house leader and snake we crawl. The monitor, lizard. Now look here. Name the animals. What it given here? Name the animals. Now look here. Name the animals. It is given here: rhinoceros, zebra, giraffe. Then elephant is a large zebra. Then blue whale, cow, horse. Then name the parts of the fish. Look here. If it is a picture, it is given, you have to write this. Fins, eyes, scales. This is a scales. Okay, fins. Then tails, fins. Okay. Now, look here. Think and tell. Think and tell. A petal is an animal that fly, but it is a bird or an insect? An insect. Okay. What common between the fish and a chameleon? They both have scale. Chameleon and a fish. What they are having? A fish. Scales they are having in this bodies. Name an animals which has strips on its body. Strips असलेला कुठला प्राणी आहे? Zebra. Why do the people who live in a desert keep camels? Camels are used for transportation and to carry burdens. They can live without water for several days as there is very little water in the desert region. Why do the people keep sheep? Sheep is used to get wool and also use for its meat. Why do people keep hen? Hen give us what? Hen काय देतात? Hen give us eggs and meats. Write the name of the animals which run very fast. Horse and deer and cheetah. Also cheetah run very fast. Cheetah. You can, if you not written horse and deer, you can write here cheetah. Okay, cheetah. Then write the name of the birds which soar high in the sky. A eagle fly high in the sky. Which animal have spots on their body? Deer has spots on its body. Which animals have a man? Horse, lion, zebra have a man. Fill in the blanks. All clothes are black. All parrots are green. But cows have different colors. They may be black, white or brown. Cow कुठल्या colors असतात? Which colors are having a cow? We have seen white, black or brown. Okay, we have seen cow. Cow म्हणजे काय? गाय. Answer the following question. From which animal do we get milk? Cow, buffalo and goat give us milk. Why do we not want mice in our house? Mice and rat destroy stores grain beside knowing other things in the house, and bad bug sucks our blood. It sucks our blood. Then, where do we find fish? Fish live in water. Which animals have feathers on their body? Birds have feathers on their body. How many legs do birds have? Birds have only 2 legs. True or false? An egret is white. An egret means bagla. True. A parrot has scales on its body. Parrotला scales असते का? False. A cat is useful for carrying burdens. Cat is useful for carrying burden? No. False. A house lizard has hair on its body. False. A cock does not fly very high. True. Then match the following. Chameleon. What is the answer? Chameleon. Grip or crawl. Kites soar high in the sky. Bats can fly but are not birds. Butterflies have 6 legs. Fish live in water. Match the following animals. Make a cobweb. Spider is a colorful. Colorful का है? Butterfly and peacock. Has a trunk. Whom having a trunk? Elephant. Runs with a great speed. Cheetah. So how many legs do each of the following animals have? Snakes, no legs. Eagle, 2 legs. Housefly, 6. Deer, 4. House lizard, 4. Then activity. Find out the above. The special features of the glowworm. Glowworm shines like a lamp in the dark. It shines like a lamp in the dark. The special features of the chameleon. Chameleon can change its colors as per the change in the environment. As the birds change in the environment. Name the following. Animals that fly in the sky, sparrow, crow. Animals that live in water, fishes. Animals that are black, bear and crow. Animals that have many colors, peacock. Very large animals, elephant. Very tiny animals, ant. Write a short note on. Gatecrashers. Some animals enter our houses even though we don't want them. Mice and rats destroy stored grain beside knowing other things in the house. Sometimes we find the bed bugs which sucks our blood and spiders make cobweb in the house. Mosquitoes, flies, gnats and cockroaches are a nuisance and through the troublesome these animals have an important place in nature. Answer the following question. Which animals run very fast and which animals move very slowly? Deer and horse run very fast. Elephant and tortoise move very slowly. Why do we keep our cows and name some other animals that are useful to us? Cow give us milk. Some people keep hens. We get eggs and meat from hens. Horses and donkeys are used to carry burden. Horses and donkeys are used to carry burden. See, a student, you have to learn this question answer and without looking you have to write, do the practice at home, learn this question answer. Okay, it is a revision. So, learn all the question answer. Okay, and read the lesson also. Thank you.